J-35 is China's second stealth 5th-generation fighter. The real power is actually unknown. The recent CCTV through the Aerospace Forum program exposure of the strength of the J-35, able to open the 12 missiles mounted beast mode after hitting the enemy ships, but also continue to fight the enemy's 10 fighters. Such a strong combat power is also very shocking. The so-called beast mode of the fighter aircraft refers to the full attack of the fighter aircraft to play the maximum firepower power. J-35 is a stealth fighter. The use of the beast mode, you need to reduce part of the stealth effect in order to mount more missiles, and at the same time carry anti-ship missiles such as Eagle 83 missiles, attack enemy sea targets. Eagle 83 missiles are less than 7 meters in length, the diameter of the 36 centimeters. The missile's warhead weighs 200 kilograms. The total weight of the missile is 850 kilograms, capable of destroying 4,000-ton ships, and the strike accuracy of this missile is so high that it can achieve infrared composite guidance. In the radar and infrared thermal imaging dual guidance system support, the realization of dual-mode integrated warhead can resist the enemy use of infrared and electromagnetic interference, can still achieve precision strikes. At the same time, the Hawk 83 missile can use infrared thermal imaging mode alone to realize the guidance lock and attack. This strike is more accurate, better surprise effect through the image guidance to strike the enemy's land targets, so that the enemy is difficult to warn in advance, so as to achieve the effect of surprise attack. China's Eagle 83 shipborne missiles have been derived from a number of operational versions, respectively, in the air-launched, shipborne shooting, ground launch of different application scenarios to use, and for the different combat environments, can play and maximize the role of the strike. In addition to the 2 Eagle 83 missiles mounted on the exterior of the J-35, it can also carry 2 medium-range air-to-air missiles, 2 close-range combat missiles, as well as 6 air-to-air missiles in the built-in magazine, for a total of 12 missiles mounted. The purpose of this operation is to maximize the presentation of firepower intensity in the attack on the enemy's dense targets, as well as in the face of the enemy's strong fire. The use of the beast mode can maximize the suppression of the enemy's counterattacks. With the same style can also be formed to saturate the strike, so that the enemy did not have the opportunity to catch their breath. J-35 in the use of this mode of operation, after sinking the enemy warships, but also continue to attack the enemy 10 fighters. Such intensity is also to let the enemy fear. A J-35's power has been so many fighters working together, composed of the strength of the lineup, cannot be underestimated, to encircle the enemy words, so that the enemy's goal is difficult to escape. J-35 Open Beast Mode Parameters. On behalf of the combat confidence, and all the preparations are in place ready, whether it is anti-ship ability or air combat, have a strong comprehensive performance. Military fans and netizens of J-35 can realize the missile external, very exciting, after all. The beast mode is for special battle situation to take special action, also belongs to the extreme combat means, can be prepared. Maximum firepower is to fight the enemy intensity bottom line, and China's other warplanes to form a coordinated mode of operation, can instantly sweep the battlefield, and to deal with the unexpected situation, has a high mobility responsibility. The future battlefield is very complex and volatile, and for the early warning capability, countermeasures, and deployment capabilities, are a high degree of testing. The J-35 can be more suitable for integrated missions, not limited to the good combat characteristics of a particular fighter, but through the integrated strength to pick up the heavy responsibility, in the need to directly face the enemy's air and sea targets. Unambiguous and instantaneous response. This requires the comprehensive strength of the fighter aircraft is very strong in order to do. The United States of America, for the limit of aerial combat aircraft, to make a variety of attempts. The beast mode is also the United States took the lead in the development of the initial embodiment of the F-225 generation stealth fighters, able to carry a total number of 8 medium-range missiles. The use of this mode is the original sub-tank load, replaced by the bomb load. Embodied in the F-35 type fighter, the United States believes that the use of the beast mode, the model of the fighter's ability to mount missiles, upgraded 4 times, from carrying weapons load 2.5 tons directly soared to 10 tons, which is for the continuous output of firepower, provides a strong guarantee. Directly let the war value pull full, but need to pay attention to, because of the weight of the fuel loaded, the duration of the mileage time becomes shorter, You need to quickly and fiercely attack, and then strive to be able to fold back as soon as possible. The F-35A can directly mount 14 air-to-air missiles and 2 fighting bombs. Is the mode of the U.S. military self-perceived bomb truck? China's J-35 can also realize the beast mode, breaking the outside world's sing-song rumors, presenting a strong combat power, but also can guarantee a certain endurance, based on the realization of air combat coverage and firepower saturation strike double suppression. In the air deployment of war power, China's air superiority aircraft J-20, J-16 and other fighters quickly destroy the enemy's radar early warning devices, tear open the enemy's defense network, forming a pattern of coordinated operations, and then different models for bombing and cleaning the enemy's firepower. Increase the J-35's beast mode attack, directly push down the enemy's multiple aerial fighters of the firepower of the counterattacks, the pairing up of the strength of the sufficient. After the J-35's external mounted missiles are hit, the stealth capability is automatically restored, and the next direct attack on the enemy's aerial targets will make a better cover for the raid. So the J-35's beast mode has triggered heated debates and controversies in the West after it was made public.